Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If I'm familiar, my name is Miss Brie, and I am a little person. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and now's a really good time because I'm thinking of changing directions of my channel. I am a little person, and I'm in my late 20s, and I'm thinking about changing directions, about telling about my life as a little person, like stories, like there's some really funny stories, the things I go through, like how I drive my car, like the everyday stuff, like how do I do my laundry, what little people, celebrities I have met. I could show baby pictures, what kids' reactions, dog reactions to me, how old people think I am. One thing my sister wanted me to do was really show my sense of humor, because I have quite the sense of humor. And I'm known to be really funny. So if you like this idea, again, I'm just thinking about it, is to give this video a like, to show your support, give me a comment, and also what you would like to see. And subscribe. So yeah, again, I'm just thinking about it, but if you want to see this, you would watch this on these types of videos, like you're really interested in them. Because not the average person knows these things. I know there are a lot of shows, but there are a lot of shows about little people, but each little person does do things differently too. Then let me know your thoughts. This is a pilot of my new show. Now this is a story where people thought I looked like an average size celebrity. Now when it comes to little people celebrity, I get that all the time. People think I'm on the show Little People Big World, the 7 Little Johnsons. I mean, people come up to me and I usually go, no, I'm not on that show. Nope, that's not me. And I'm always thinking, yeah, I'm not the only little person in the world. There's quite a few little people. And my dad used to say, yeah, just tell him you are on that show. And because this one person said, oh, I was going to ask you for your autograph. And my dad said, yeah, you should have said, yeah, you are. And gave him a signature. I was like, no, I want to be honest. But this story was where people thought I looked like an average size celebrity. So my parents, for my birthday over the summer, got me season 10 American Idol tour tickets, and it was to go backstage before the concert started. And this was the year with Haley Reinhart, Lauren, Elena, Pia, Scotty McQueary, I apologize if I'm pronouncing the names wrong, 2011, and the concert was in August. That's when I came to the state I lived in. Well, and my birthday's in July, so my parents gave me tickets. And so I was all excited to meet them. And so they took everyone that got backstage passes, they all took us to a room. And when I walked in that room, all those people from American Idol, they all looked at me and stared at me. But I was used to it. You know what? I get stared at all the time. So I was like, oh, they're probably just never seen a little person before. And they were all kind of whispering. And I'm like, yeah, hey. And then when they branched out, they spread out the American Idol stars, and you got to walk up to one, talk to them, get their signature. And they were all so nice. And when I walked up to Pia, I believe it was, she said, "Oh my goodness, you look exactly like Kelly Clarkson." I was like, "Kelly Clarkson?" I was like, "Oh my gosh," I was so flattered. Because I've never been, no one's ever said I looked like a celebrity before. And again, little people celebrities are great too, but an average size celebrity, I just never knew I was ever put in the same. I just never knew people would even think I looked like someone, because sometimes I think my physical appearance, it being shorter, that they would just look at that and not think I looked like anyone else. But yeah, so I was so flattered. And then I went to another American Idol tour member, and they thought the same thing, and they said, "Yeah, we all were talking that you looked like Kelly Clarkson." So I was super flattered. So yeah, that is my pilot of the story, and I'm excited to share more stories and give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and tell me if you like this show idea.